is it possible to fly a spaceship straight through a gas giant? Oh, well, that is a question that's, well, it's on the mind of some scientists, that it is. But what am I on about? Yes. Would it be possible to fly a spaceship straight through the centre of a gas giant planet? Not something that's crossed my mind before, no. But apparently it is a thing. Now, Richard Glover of London, UK, he says that although gas giant planets mostly consist of gas, at depth the pressure means that the gas behaves more like a liquid. And if you go deep enough, like a solid. In addition, rocky debris from other bodies that fell into a gas giant would accumulate at its core. So a point would be reached where the gas would be too dense to fly through. Also, the increasing pressure and temperature would destroy any spacecraft that it would, long before the planet's centre was even, well, reached. And then we've got Demir Balazina Chester in the UK, another scientist, who says nobody knows for sure what is deep inside a gas giant, assuming that the ones in our solar system, such as, well, Jupiter and Saturn, are typical examples. It wouldn't be possible to fly through one due to the solid core, high temperature, high pressure, and the difficulty in obtaining an escape velocity. You might get in there, but you're never going to get out. Now, it might be different for exoplanets known as hot Jupiters, which are gas giants orbiting close to their star. These appear to have a very low density, much lower than Jupiter and Saturn. This suggests they have more gas and less liquid, or solid materials, so perhaps one of those would be a better candidate to fly straight through, maybe. Then Hermit the Hog, mascot New South Wales in Australia. He says, well, the gas giant Jupiter largely consists of hydrogen, with about 10% helium. And the pressure at its core could be up to 100 million times that typical seen on Earth at sea level. It should be obvious that no spaceship could, well, survive that kind of pressure. No. Another challenge is the temperature, which might reach 20,000 degrees Celsius at the centre of Jupiter. Try surviving that, you'll be a crisp. Burnt as, yeah. There's also the possibility that Jupiter's core is rocky. Although at pressures of 100 million atmospheres, there isn't much difference between rock and gas. No. So I think the conclusion is that flying through straight through a gas giant, such as Jupiter or Saturn, is for the birds. In fact, maybe we should just continue flying around the Earth. It has a higher survival rate. Yes. So don't do it. Don't try it. It's not possible anyway. So it seems. Anyway, you tell me. Please leave it in the comments down below, because I'm sure we'd all like to know. And I do actually read your comments, but you may already know. And if you want to support us, you can do that on Patreon, or you buy us a coffee. And the links are actually down below. Please click like and subscribe. And maybe a little bell icon, because then you get a warm fuzzy feeling in your pocket every time I upload another video. Sure be excited about that. But for now, I'm going to say, ta-ta.